Dear students, yeah, now we have a circuit here. If you remember, our story is that we are astronauts trying to set an emergency light on a different planet. Or we are very far in the sea and trying to create some sort of light to enable people to see us from afar when we are in danger. So you have a resistor here, you have a switch. Depending on the orientation of the switch, you have to connect it in different ways for it to work. And then we have a light emitting diode, and then we have our battery as voltage source. And then we have these connections here basically to loop the positive of this side and this side and the negative of this side and this side. So in a simple form, our circuit is now complete because we have a complete loop from the positive terminal of the battery going through the resistor, going through the switch, passing through the light emitting diode, and the negative terminal of the light emitting diode is connected towards the cathode that we have here. So